Welcome to Attention Talk Video, where we pay attention to attention. Now, here's your host, Jeff Copper.
Welcome, everybody, to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm cognitive engineer and ADHD coach, Jeff Copper. That's right, I said cognitive engineer. That's because I've developed a new form of engineering called Cognitive Ergonomics from the inside out. It doubles as a new ADHD intervention. And I'm here to talk about a byproduct of that particular program. And today, what I'd like to share with you is what's obvious to me is motivation is more a function of the environment than willpower. What? Huh? Yes. Think of it like this. If you're in the right environment and it makes it easy to do something, you're more inclined to do it. If you're not in the right environment and it's hard, you're less inclined to do it. Why? Because it just takes more effort. What people with ADHD don't realize is they're very environmental sensitive. There are a lot of what I call intangible accommodations that are hidden in plain sight that facilitate getting things done. One of the things that was interesting to me during the pandemic, when lockdown happened, I thought I would be out of a job in 60 days because I'm not cheap as a coach, but that was wrong. My phone lit up like a Christmas tree. Everybody went home from work and school complaining of productivity and motivation problems. My argument is, no, you're as motivated as you were before. The issue really is there were lots of intangible accommodations at work, right? There was direct oral conversation, there was interaction. And so all too often I find people with ADHD trying to focus on emotionally getting motivation, not adjust the environment to make it easy. Think of it like this. If you think about emotions as something you've got to get, it's like you're going to kind of like just amp up your emotions and use grit or willpower to work your way through that. What's obvious to me is it doesn't work or consistently work. What does work is if the environment is easy. Is that really motivation, or are you actually manufacturing motivation by actually making it easy? This is a completely different way of looking at motivation. It's not something that you should get. It's something that you can actually engineer. That's what cognitive ergonomics is all about. If you want to learn more about that, go to cognitive-ergonomics.com. So again, what's obvious to me is most people are paying attention to the wrong thing when it comes to motivation. It's not really about your emotional amping up. It's like focus in on your environment to make it easier. Take an engineering approach. I think you'll find you get a lot more done. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're an existing person, what do you think? Do you think that this makes a plausible reason to actually get some things done? Also, we do what we do for you, so we appreciate anybody who hits the like button. Take care.